Hello, my great people of Nigeria. I greet you this morning. Most especially, I greet my great people of the great Niger Delta. And I greet my great people of the Oduduwa. And I greet my great people from the Middle Belt. And I also greet the Ariwas. And I greet my beloved, cherished, wonderful people of the great Biafra. So, I don't make one video the other time. I think this is my second video that I'm going to do now. Some issue there where we as a citizen of Nigeria we need to address. But our leader they look and say man the thing say the issue not be anything to them. Now what they go fit solve. They will say man let's go and meet the founding fathers. My brothers and sisters, I know say man founding fathers will be say man that they found the country, we don't rule the country, we finish the country. Now the nine wants to go sit down, cut a drop panel. Which panel they want drop? See tomorrow they will kick bucket. The youth don't decide. Now make all those governors, those who they are fighting for their pocket. The youth don't decide. It is two things. Either you restructure Nigeria or you conduct referendum. So that everybody will take part of this referendum. Who decide to stay as a Nigeria go stay. Who say you wan comot you go comot. There's no way we Biafra go fit to stay Nigeria. Even though say me Nnamdi Kanu die today, in the next few years another strong warrior that is more greater than Nnamdi will rise from nowhere again. The strong Godoti, Idoti, Boro, Major Boro, one of Major Boro that they call am one Ogonima be Joma, I don't know those days. The guy fight 6 days war, he surrender. As Nigeria only get independence, Ojukwu declare him own. My brother, e go more talk truth. We honor Nigeria. Forget say me, some people not in Nigeria, some people dey outside Nigeria. If you see comot for Nigeria, you see the way Europe, you see the way Europe take organize the system of the country. These people now they spoil Nigeria. They don't want make Nigeria be like them. They don't want make Africa get the type of things where they get. Okay, people now they cry for restructure for so long before this Biafra something called who this so strong. Nana Babangida called the same made a restructure Nigeria. Fine, if they will restructure Nigeria, the way they go take do and way go take sweet. Resources control, at least there are some little percent you give to the federal government because those ones so now they be the superior. Each region, each state go develop a place with the money we get from the state. Then it go be like form of competition. Now so Munich, now so London, and so all other European countries so they develop. Nowhere you go for Europe, we say you not go see train. If you train all the day that city, they must get a city bus, and that city bus go dey work 24 hours. Wetin dey happen? Nnamdi Kanu say he wan make Biafra go. People dey say me Nnamdi say dem no go gree. My brother, Aboroboma from Delta State, confirm Oroboma. To see me so I support Biafra. 100% I support Biafra. Let them free Biafra and let Biafra go. If other region, if one state wants say in a country, let them free them. Make Africa free. Make Africa get peace. The release of Biafra We release a lot of African people that has been caged with other tribes by the so-called Europeans. You see Africa, war, tribe. Why don't you just crash that tribe? Just cut give them, bro. Go and stay your home. Understand? When I go do nothing, when I go do nothing. No. Niger they survive. Nigeria they survive. Chad don't they survive. Burkina don't they survive. Mali don't they survive. Wait northern Nigeria they fear where they don't want to share Nigeria. Share Nigeria into pieces because waiting go apple for front. Waiting me and the see for front, my brother. Not do all those the Russia, Okorosha, those also called Okos, where they say they go wrong. This will not be movement for the elders again. This one is movement for the youth. The youth don't decide. We don't tire. Nigeria for Europe don't tire. Nigeria for Nigeria don't tire. Nigeria go deport Nigeria. Chad go deport Nigeria. What the name Nigeria is not anything again. In any way you go in the part of the world, the passport is useless. The passport is useless. So what is the need of bearing the name Nigeria? But first of all, what will be the name of Nigeria? River. Name where they carry from River Niger. You gather people together. On attack at from country. People will say they don't get the same historical background. If at the years okay, if at the years something like the Igbos, the Deltas, the rivers, the Benis, I could perceive some kind things in me. Those people they feel join their country together. But some people could say, how you don't travel come off, you don't for your state for Nigeria, you don't even move. For example, say you did Delta State or you did Benin, anything make you don't enter Kogi State, you go no say man, another country you don't enter. I just tell you the plain truth. The next tell person, if you enter Kogi, from Kogi go na another country, if another country then you don't do, you call that Nigeria be this, or you call go somewhere like Sokoto, you call see Amajiris, about one Amajiris they call it. The full road, they carry plate for neck. You go to Nigeria, so Nigeria don't suffer rich like this. Why some tribe for Nigeria go this superior pass on tribe? You know, when I raise this issue now, waiting Nigerians go know. Waiting I go just tell everybody we say now. Waiting I go talk because I say it is only the wise that see the future. The mumu go dey look wetin dey happen today. You must calculate ahead, my brother. If you get property for Hausa land, look for way to take sell am. If you get property for Yoruba land, look for way to take sell am. Go to your region. Go and develop your region. If Biafra no come today, Biafra go come tomorrow. Nothing can stop it. Nothing can stop Biafra. As far human blood don shed, more soldiers must be born to free Biafra. Former USSR, where they shed, they kill people. Why Nigeria case called dey different? Where one and Northern Ireland should be Northern Ireland now, where they come up for Britain, blood roll for ground. As we said, they don't want to come out, they want they keep person. Where Britain come out for European Union, they keep person. So what's it called the difficult for Nigeria to conduct referendum? Waiting, governor go say, man, who is Nnamdi Kanu to speak for the Biafra? Okay, you conduct the referendum. Let's see the people that is behind Nnamdi Kanu and those that is behind you. Let's see who have the highest population. Or let's conduct a referendum now, right now in Yoruba land, and let's look at those that will stay in Nigeria and those that we want Oduduwa Republic. My brother, Nigeria don't tire. Everybody don't tire. In fact, everything about Nigeria is finished. The president is nowhere to be found. Imagine they pack presidential jet every day, £4,000 in a month, 80 million naira, and some state never fit pay salary. Presidential jet just did there. They sleep, they wake up. 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 Jesus, and I can't repeat this. The most funniest thing, the president now, he won't address the people for Salah message. A bit Ramadan, something like that. Speak Hausa. Now Hausa Nigeria they speak. Which means that you dey favor one particular tribe than the other. You dey favor one particular region than the other. Which means that the rest of Nigeria are nothing. Not only Hausa be Muslim, Yoruba not be Muslim. We not get Muslim for Edo State. All states get Muslim. So why must you address with Hausa language?
Na what all now? More than noticing na wetin happen during Ojukwu time for Biafra war na im go be dis o. Biafra will be achieved without single bullet. People no go die. I no be Biafra, but I have a strong belief. If why we support Biafra? Because if Biafra is free, definitely we will have our Niger Delta Republic. Then everybody should go into pieces. The country should share into pieces. Point of correction. Should share into pieces so that everybody will be in peace.